Well, I received an anonymous call yesterday nga nasa na ko ni plans nga nung na mga ilang gawas nga mga issue nga madala sa Canada. So I actually told the parents nga never do any moves that will raise the case. Otherwise, if ilanda daw sa Canada during hearing dili sila umattend, so technically ma-revoke ang bail, issue warrant of arrest, preso. So if a preso na rin, diba? So because there's already flight risk.
Yeah. Okay, attorney, kanang doon na ba'y kasiguruhan nga dili siya to like that?
Yeah, naikasiguraduhan. Okay, kanang I talk to the parents personally. No, sir, ayaw never kanang ato ginusundo nung sang nasa balaod ba. No, kung say process ba. No, so but karon ang proseso for the rights of the accused, the parents or the accused decided to file for bail. So we're just waiting for arraignment.
So you are nag-hapex like assurance to face this in court?
In the faces in court because very unfortunate magod na natabo ba. So any loss of life is tragic, and ako siyang ipasabot nga if you have done this because this will be proved sa korte kung siya bagyod or whatever, if say kuan mo you really have to face the consequence.